Yo, son, what's happening, son? Out here on Liberty Island, son. Just finished eating a hot dog. The hot dog. The hot dog. Got ice and birds and shit. If I find another one. Oh shit. The white lady saw me. I don't care. I'm gonna throw ice at tell one of them shit on me. When they shit on me, it's time to go. Time to head back to the ferry. Shit, I ain't open this plate. Check them out. Bird all on the table. Why them white people ignorant, boy? I didn't even clear out their table. Ain't talking about niggas trifling. Fucking crackers. I'm not racist. If any white people, Mexicans, Italians, whatever, see this video. I'm just doing dumb shit. Which is an everyday thing for me. All I do is dumb shit. Ain't that right, camera lady? Better open your mouth, you know. Little dumbass laugh back there. Yo, son, the water, son. Son. No more birds don't want to come close. They must have heard I was flying ice over there. Get them birds over there on the table. That's where the white people left all their food at. That bird tearing the fucking fries off. That bird waxing it, eating it. That horn scared the phone there, though. Jumped up quick. Why you always recording me? Can you answer that question? Why you got the camera on me? You don't want to let me tape you?
So, I don't be retarded like you either.
I ain't gonna talk about that. Nah. You be doing dumb shit. Shit. No, it's for no example. I ain't gonna put you on blast like that. You know you be doing retarded shit. That's why you laugh at it. Cause you know I know some shit. And put this ice on you and let it melt. You know it's all hot. Let me melt this ice cube on you. Yeah. You jumping now. Yeah, you know it's cold. Yeah. Damn. And I wanted that one too. That was a little fat cube. Excuse me.
You ready?
That ferry about to roll out. Man, I'm ready. If you ready, you ready? I'm ready. You ready to roll out? Let's roll out. Nope. So, we're gonna cut the camera off right now. We're gonna be back in a little while. Maybe, maybe not. You heard me, son? You dig, son? Nope. On my New York shit, son. Little water, son. Look at that big, ugly, black ass bird. I'm about to. You know what I'm talking about? My people, they gonna shit on this out. You ain't even gotta hit it. Just drop it right in front of you. You gonna jump and shit on itself. Why a bird shit on one of these people out here, I'ma laugh. Unless I'm the person they shit on. I'ma be mad. And text me if I'm ready to go. Or you still sitting down?
Let's just go throw this stuff away.
I am. I might just leave it on the tail like them white people. But I ain't gonna do that. Cause them birds gonna fuck over this cool stuff. You don't want this? You don't want this? Shit's nasty. Shit's nasty. You're like the person who didn't want to eat it. Is it me? Or is it her? You would never know. Put that camera off. Is all? You like a real asshole. I call you an asshole, but I'm fucking with Bird for ice. I just still an asshole. That bird over there doing the bird walk. That's the real bird walk right there.
Alright, bye.
Come on, son. Hello. Come on, son. Daughter, son. Yo, son. Yo, daughter.